Hey, Mikey.
Better get me on that channel.
You're on there, buddy. Hey guys, welcome back to the garage. You knew I was going to say that though, right? In this video, I'm going to go over a couple updates that we have on some of our projects, and then later on we're going to hit a show. But before we do that, how'd you like to see $1 million? Hold on, I'll show you. All right, so there's the $1 million lumber. The joke is because everybody knows how high lumber is. So this is the bed. I guess this is the layout I'm going with. I got two 1x8s right dead center. And then I got, on each side, I got three 1x6. So it looks pretty good. These are going to get stained and cut down, of course. And I'm not sure about the color of the stain yet. You'll know as I do it. And yeah, I think it's going to be pretty cool on the old ratty truck. I don't want to go too nice, but I got to router these down. So I'm going to router a 1/4 inch on each side. And then I have the rails. Let me show you the rails. All right, so there are the rails. These are just steel rails, unpainted. The plan is actually to leave them unpainted. Let's have a look a little closer. Leave them unpainted. The truck still stays inside the garage, so it will just get some surface rust and won't rust all the way through. Or I was going to do it black, so I'm not sure. I think I'm just going to go with the rusty look. I mean, y'all know the truck. Also an update on my wheels. So I ordered my Steely wheels. I ordered them from Jegs. It's been about 2.5 weeks. Get a hold of Jegs the other day, and I find out that everything's on back order, and they apologize and got a hold of the company, and they're not going to ship them out until May the 7th. So anyway, I did have some barn wood. My buddy has an old barn, and he had some wood up top the barn, and it was old, but it was rough cut, so I would have had to plane it all down and cut it up. So instead of doing all of that, my son gave me some pine wood here that he wasn't using, and I think this will serve my purpose well with less work, to be honest with you. So the barn wood would have been really cool, but a lot more work. I had to get a buddy of mine to plane it down for me. I don't have a planer, but I can get a router and all that stuff. So anyway, there's the boards. I can't wait to get this in there. So maybe next video I'll have them in there. Got a lot going on right now, but we're going to try to get her done. All right, let me get this wood out here. Get it down. And then, like I say, hopefully in the next video, you'll see this in there. Always a nice turnout. Hey guys, I hope you're enjoying the video. I'd like to take a second, ask you to support the channel. Only thing you have to do, and it's completely free, hit this like button, come down here, hit that sub button, click on the little bell and hit all. That way you'll get notifications every time we put up a new video. And like I say, it's free and it really supports the channel. So thanks a lot, and back to the video.
Nothing like some fat domino when you see two cars like that roll on in. Welcome everybody to the market of Shrewsbury, and on behalf of Motor Metatron, thank you for joining us once again. As usual, we'll have all the good stuff, like the 50/50, the trophies. They have around 7:30. That's when we give away the money, as well as the trophies. But
some pretty cars, huh?
As you register your car, so make sure you do that. Come on down to the registration. They get one for $1 or.
Cool old coupe. You may see one of these in my garage one of these days. Hey, Mikey. You're on there, buddy. And we're rolling out. How was that show, Bob?
Great.